हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। सो आज के वीडियो में हम गो थ्रू करेंगे 11 जून 2025 के इम्पॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में। तो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, विच इंडियन ई कॉमर्स कंपनी बिकेम द फर्स्ट टू ऑफर डायरेक्ट लोन? एंड द आंसर इज फ्लिपकार्ट। Second question, where will India's first e-waste recycling park be established? And the answer is New Delhi. Third question, International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression was observed on which date? And the answer is 4th of June. Fourth question, which medal did India won in the 2025 IIHF Women's Asia Cup? And the answer is bronze medal. Fifth question, Vikram Lok Canal Bank solar power project was inaugurated recently. Where has this project been established? And the answer is Bihar. Sixth question, where was the 7th edition of the International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure held? And the answer is Nice, France. Seventh question, where is the International Labour Conference held every year? And the answer is Geneva, Switzerland. Eighth question, who has recently been appointed as the Global Tourism Ambassador of Maldives? And the answer is Katrina Kaif. Ninth question, Frederick Fawcett died at the age of 86 in Hawaii. He was? And the answer is writer, journalist. 10th question, in which country is Posan Poya festival being celebrated? And the answer is Sri Lanka. 11th question, where was India's first International Agriculture Hackathon being organized? And the answer is Pune. 12th question, which legend has recently announced his retirement from international cricket? And the answer is Nicholas Puran. 13th question, which country topped the World Energy Investment Report 2025? And the answer is China. 14th question, which country has launched the world's first non-binary AI chip technology? And the answer is China. 15th question, who has been appointed Deputy Army Chief Strategy? And the answer is Rajiv Ghai. 16th question, which player has won the Stephen Afghan Memorial Chess Tournament? And the answer is Aravind Chitrabaram. 17th question, Puducherry Assembly has become which legislature of the country to adopt the National E-Vidhan application? And the answer is 19th. 18th question, when is World Accreditation Day celebrated? And the answer is 9th June. 19th question, Tamini Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? And the answer is Maharashtra. 20th question, Titu Island that was recently seen in news is located in which region? And the answer is South China Sea. 21st question, Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan was launched by which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 22nd question, Kyol Trayon belong to which country who has been awarded the Women's Player of the Month for May 2025 by the ICC? And the answer is South Africa. 23rd question. Famous footballer David Beckham will be knighted by which country? And the answer is England. 24th question. Recently, Nicholas Pooran announces his retirement from international cricket at age 29. He is from which country? And the answer is West Indies. 25th question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of TCL India? And the answer is Rohit Sharma. 26th question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Karnataka Soaps and Detergent Limited? And the answer is Tamanna Bhatia. 27th question. Who has been appointed as the first Indian brand ambassador of Dream Technologies? And the answer is Kriti Sanan. And the last 28th question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Tata Motors? And the answer is Vicky Kaushal. ये थे 11 जून 2025 के टॉप 28 करंट अफेयर्स और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ ऑडी इंडिया। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।